coming back. I just did the Forex uh, recording call, I don't know, whatever, video a few minutes ago, and here to do the futures one and just talk about what we're going to see this morning, what we could potentially see this morning, how we could trade it here in the futures market. So we're going to keep this really quick because I've got another call coming up with our members to walk through how January shook out when we look at our basket of trades that we're looking at here with the E-minis, crude, and gold, and look at the trade opportunities that occurred over the month, see how those worked out, what we would have come up with. Did we make money? Did we lose money? We're going to talk about that here in just a moment. Sneak peek. Yeah, we would have made money. So anyway, let's go ahead and get over to this. E-minis starting out over here, we're in a short bias. So the 4 hour now has flipped over. So the 4 hour has flipped to a short bias. 30-minute right now is flipped over to a short bias as well. So for the S&P, we're actually going to be looking at short trading opportunities. That's the first time in a long time that we've been able to say that on the S&P. So what does that look like for us? Well, right now we're seeing the market push up. That's what we'd like to see. We'd like to see continued movement up here, making higher lows and higher highs. And then if the market breaks back down in the direction of that confirmed bias, we'll play a breakout of that previously closed higher low. So remember, we've been doing this the reverse way, looking for breakouts to the long side here. Now we're going to start looking for breakouts to the short side. And we'll continue to do that until either A, the 30-minute bias conflicts with the 4 hour, or B, if this just keeps pushing up and we don't get filled. I mean, that's part of it. We don't trade every single day. We trade when the market gives us the right conditions to trade. And that patience is what allows us to be profitable over the long term, right? Patience, money management, those things allow us to have a good positive expectation. So anyway, for the S&P, we're looking for short opportunities. We want to see breakouts back down below that previously closed lower high in the direction of the current market bias, which is short. Over here on crude, so going to the middle chart on crude, we're looking at a mixed bias right now. The 4 hour bias is long, but the 30-minute bias is short. Now this could change, if we close up here, and over the next couple, we've still got, this bar needs to close and one more bar will close before the U.S. hours really get fully underway. But with that said, if it closes up here a couple of times, then this 30-minute bias might pull over the top and flip over to be confirmed with the 4 hour bias. But for right now, it's mixed. And as long as we've got a mixed bias, we're not doing anything. As a matter of fact, when we've got a mixed bias, we wouldn't even get trade signal. Over on gold, we still got a short bias. So, oops, S&P, what the what? I don't know how that happened. That was weird. Over on gold, we've actually got a mixed bias here. So the 4 hour is short, but the 30-minute is long. So we're in a mixed bias on gold. So on gold, we're not going to do anything until we see confirmed bias. So we want to see direction, or we want to see movement in the direction of the confirmed market bias. So there we have it. So the only thing that we're really watching right now is the S&P. We'll look for short trading opportunities. If they present themselves, that's going to look like a pullback in the long direction, so higher lows and higher highs, and then we'll play a breakout back down in the direction of that confirmed market trend. So there it is. I'm going to get off of here so I can jump on with our members here in about 15 minutes and do a recap of the last month. So I'll leave it here with you guys. If we have any tradable opportunities, we'll talk about them. We didn't have any yesterday that came up for us, so we're just gonna hold on to our big bags of money, and we're just gonna wait until the market gives us some indication that we've got the opportunity to trade, right? So there we go. Patience, 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 patience. All right, guys, have a great day. We'll